You may know about the terrain theory, that it's not what is actually going on. It's not the germ or the problem, but it's often the terrain in which it is. If a plant is dying, you look at the soil. If you have an issue, a physical ailment, you look at what is the condition of your body. What is the environment? And it's not only your body, because the environment is internal and external. So, hey, there's an ailment, an illness, and the normal Western way is to go and treat that ailment. Now, if you think holistically, you know that that is just such a narrow-minded way of looking at it, that you actually have to look at what is the root cause, what is the terrain, and why is the terrain faulty? If the terrain is less than optimal, and by the terrain, again, I mean internal and external, to call it the environment. I say the key most thing you can do is look at what is the environment doing. Look after your environment. That means the external environment, the people you surround yourself with, the places you surround yourself with, your physical environment, what you take in physically through your senses, but also through your thoughts. What is existing in your body in terms of old trauma? That all contributes to the terrain, to the environment. That is where the growth takes place. And that is also where, if the environment is less than optimal, where dis-ease take place. Physical dis-ease, mental, emotional discomfort. So look, that is what the terrain theory is about. That is why it's so important to look at the environment and not only to treat the cause. We know that. And also not only to treat the symptom. So it's so important to actually go and understand that and look a bit further. And then you look at, why is the terrain stressful? Some people are so afraid, and I've talked about this before, to ask the question, why? To always ask questions, what is happening? What is happening with me? And to actually get it back to you. Where can you take responsibility? Stop blaming the outside world, the government and the world. And yes, we're going through stressful times. Yes, that may contribute to the story, but look at internally what's going in here. What is the environment? Are you creating an environment where you, your body, your emotions, and who you are can thrive? That's the terrain theory. So that's part of healing. That's part of what I wanted to just elaborate on from my previous videos. What is the terrain? Once you understand that you are not emotions, go and look at the environment internally and externally. So much love to you. Bye for now.